Okay, nice and easy on your neck. All you gotta do is breathe in and out. Rest your whole head. Just set it down. Oh yeah. Good job. Just twist your spine a little. Okay. Let's put you here. Let's put you here. Put you here. Here. Bring you here. Let's stretch you a little bit. Breathe in and out. Let's stretch you first. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in again. And out. And breathe in and out.